day to the mighty Corsa. I've not actually looked over the car or done anything, literally just took it. It's now all on the road, insured and taxed, so it's going to be an interesting build. You know, I'm going to use it for a bit, test it out and go from there. So, as you can gather from the sneak peek from last night, the Volvo has gone. I got the little SRI. Literally, this is the most I've seen the vehicle. Got it last night, chucked me the keys. Yeah, I'll have it, job done. First drive of the beast. I see why people like an SRI. My first impressions before I actually had one was, yeah, they're going to be gutless. They're not quite a Civic and whatnot. Yeah, they're not. They're never going to be. But for the laugh I've just had from this driving it down the road, I can say, you know what? I'm dying to do my combo build. But first, I'm going to actually have a little bit of fun with the car. So, expect to see auto solos, a couple of track days from it, also probably a couple of DIYs. Reason why, if I'm going to do something, I might as well do it on a bit of a shitter shell. You not agree?
Friend! Ah! Condo friend! No, wait. Car friends! Ow!
Hi, welcome back to the channel. So, Kevin, and we've got a new member of team, Rhys. Welcome Rhys to the team. Lovely. So, we've had a bit of a morning out in the old Corsa. As you know, I've done a swap last night on the Volvo. Didn't look the car over because I'm only interested in one thing, that's the engine. 1800 SRI, we have plenty of good plans with this. Now, we've had quite an interesting morning. Good fun. Chasing 3 litre Z4s, B-road blasting. Car performs really, really well. A couple of kind of launchers, which Rhys is kindly going to put on later for us. But more importantly, I've got cruise control, boys. It's going to be a combo with cruise, and he worked it out. So, yeah, keep an eye on this project. It is going to be pretty mental. Me and Rhys, we are going to be coming to more car shows near you. So once again, if you see the combo, if you see this piece of crap, or if you see Rhys's lovely Corsa D project, then you know, you probably are going to be on YouTube. Rhys has got a really good background with vehicles and music and editing, so yeah.
On the geek.
It's going to be kind of a really weird version of Top Gear, really, isn't it?
Yeah. Where the cars out-handle us.
Yeah. As we found out earlier, Rhys likes to take parts off methodically.
You don't. You go for the more of the approach of if it won't happen,
I get that cut off. Where's I'm just breathing. I can break shit. So, enjoy.
That lasted long.
It did.